How's it going, guys? My name is Jake and welcome back to a brand new video. And in this video we're going to be changing the oil on my friend's 06, I believe, Forester, and he should be here any minute. Just stuff is happening, so I don't have a car to drive right now, but soon I will be able to. So don't forget to subscribe down below. I think it's this corner, and don't forget to check out my previous video, which is going to be in a card up in that corner, I believe. And let's see how this goes. Another thing is that the upload schedule for this channel is going to be probably every Wednesday, maybe every other Wednesday. We'll see how it goes with this video. But yeah, just be sure to stay tuned for it. And also follow my Instagram, photos@pooler. It's gonna be right here. I post not daily, but every other day, maybe every few days, I will post a great picture of a car, because I am a photographer, or aspiring photographer, I should say. So if you guys live in Massachusetts, Eastern Mass, be sure to hit me up on there, and we can set up a photo shoot. This is my friend Zach. So we got the oil back there. We got everything that we need back there. So we're gonna start this oil change. And there's the dog. And I am willing to bet you she's going to bark at me as soon as she sees me. All right. So we have the engine bay open. We're getting all the sockets ready for taking out the drain plug. We're gonna drain the oil, and then we're going to take out the oil filter. But the oil filter is kind of weird. I didn't realize it was like this on the Foresters. It's pretty neat though. I'll show you what it looks like. This is the familiar front end of the Forester Sports. Thank you, Zach. And then we'll head underneath, and then there'll be a service shroud, which is quite common on most new vehicles or new era vehicles. And then I'll show you the awkward for me, because I work on American cars, placement of the oil filter. So this big plastic piece right here, that is the service shroud, and we'll show you where the oil filter is. It's right up there. So if you know your way around a car, this is the exhaust, and right up here is the oil filter. So Zach and I are going to find the correct socket for the oil drain plug, and we're going to drain the oil, which should be fun because it's his first time doing it. After doing some detective sleuthing, we realized that it is not a 1/2 inch or a 13 millimeter, because that seems a bit too small. All right, well, it's time to drain the oil, which is going to be fun. That bolt is a hell of a lot stronger than I thought it would be, so we're gonna break out the breaker bar. Yep, just like that. Leak out now, yum.
Oh shit. It's running like a 1/2 hour ago.
Come on, it's on the last thread. Ah, shit.
Oh, fuck.
Well, there it goes. So we got it open. All the oil's drained. We got a bit of the cardboard. It shot out a lot faster than I thought it would. Zach, yeah. Take the oil plug. Yep. And plug it back into where it belongs, which is right over there.
Do you think that's good enough?
Yeah.
For like how long it's been?
Yep, it's good.
With this for the synthetic?
Yeah,
sure.
Just like that. Of habit. We're just gonna wipe that down. Just like this. Just so it doesn't smell as bad. Right, Zach?
Yeah.
Alright. So you're just gonna get it down tight, but not too tight.
Wow.
There you go. Remember, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. All right, so Zach has the 5W30 synthetic, and we're going to fill up the oil filter, which is a trick that I learned from my boss, which is my friend's dad, which is cool, because he's cool, you're cool. Alrighty, so we did the oil filter. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. Take it off, put oil in so it absorbs the stuff, absorbs the oil, and because when you're putting in an oil filter with no oil into the engine just the filter starves the engine oil because it's getting all that oil in, and then you also got to lubricate the O-ring on the oil filter, and then just put it up, screw it in, make sure it's tight, and we're good to go. We filled it up. My guy Zach just changed the oil for the first time on his
2008 Subaru Forester 2.5X Sports Edition.
Yes, that.
Not an XT. Exactly.
Yeah, there it is. Disabled boxer engine.
DJ25.
Yeah. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys could subscribe, that would be freaking amazing. I believe it's in this corner right down here. And if you guys want to see my previous video, just click up on that card right up there, around there. And then follow Zach at his Instagram handle, which is going to be right here, and mine, which is going to be right here. We're amazing. We're super grateful to have cars. So we'll see you in the next video.